Welcome to you, my dear and all my respected friends, once again in my Healthy Lifestyle channel. Today's video topic is about why Makhana is one of the healthiest Indian snacks. Light, crispy, and loaded with nutrition, Makhana is much more than a nutritious snack. Here are 5 reasons to include it in your daily diet. First, great source of protein and fiber. Makhana is composed of protein and dietary fiber, which keeps your hunger in check, minimizes consumption, and aids in effective weight management. Second, promotes heart health. Since Makhana is low in sodium and high in magnesium and potassium, it can help to regulate blood pressure and the whole cardiovascular system. Third, helps to maintain gut health. Makhana helps to free flow of digestion and prevents constipation, thus contributing to a healthy digestive system. Fourth, strengthening bones. Makhana is rich in calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, and all these ingredients help with the strengthening of bone and teeth. Fifth, helps to fight oxidative stress. Makhana is rich in calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, and all these ingredients help with the strengthening of bones and teeth. The bottom line: low in calories and rich in protein, fiber, antioxidants, and essential minerals, Makhana is a small snack that supports your overall health. Enjoy it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Thank you once again, friends, for watching my video, and please push the like button to support me and share this video with your friends and subscribe my Healthy Lifestyle channel if you have not subscribed it. Thank you, friends.